Hi, Asa.
Hey, hello everyone. You know what? You still remember about the avocado that have a shape like an aubergine yesterday?
Oh yeah, I remember that.
It's have a two fruits, right? Yesterday,
Yeah.
I found really unique things, interesting, very interesting.
What is that?
It's already blossoming a new flowers.
Oh, will be a birch fruit again.
Yeah, you know what? It's more unique that it still have fruit, but
Yeah.
blossoming more flowers.
Oh, it means it's long lasting.
Yeah. So you already got there.
Yeah.
Means long-lasting productivity.
Oh my
I
gosh.
can't believe it. One fruit can have a long shape like this.
Alright.
And it's around 3 kilos.
Yeah.
But we have more of it now, guys.
Oh.
And I will give the report about the fruit yesterday.
Yeah.
Yesterday still palm of my hand, right? The size of it.
Yeah. I
It's
remember
doing
that.
more now.
Oh. Is it?
You ready? You can't wait any longer, right?
Yeah, I'm curious,
But wait. I need to see. Oh no, I will not make you wait any longer.
Yeah.
Come on then.
Okay.
Wait, we ready. Observe
Oh,
what the
this
plants before.
tree. Yeah. I
still
remember
remember
that. Oh.
Get it.
What is called this tree?
It's sap O34.
Oh, Sep 034.
It's from Vietnam.
Mhm.
It's introduced,
Introduced.
imported fruit.
Imported
not
fruit.
local.
Oh, not local.
We have a local version of it. If
Yeah.
you're really curious about it,
Yeah.
just check out the previous video, when we talking about the plants
And the local.
and the local one.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
called Key. You must see the previous video.
Yeah.
I will not give you any tips here or anything like a. I forgot it again. Let's take it
Oh, yeah.
like a preview of it. I got it
think
there.
okay. I want to see that you say
Because
something.
I lost all my word because I see it's blossoming again. Oh my god! Here,
That's
guys.
right.
Okay, the first one I want to show you about the progress of the fruit.
Yeah.
The report, the latest report. Look at it.
Okay. Oh, there is it. Oh my gosh.
It's not ripe yet. It can grow more bigger than it.
Oh yeah.
Because I seen many pictures that it can be this long.
Yeah.
Okay. And I'm also not lying, right? This have a shape like an aubergine,
Yeah.
like a eggplant.
Yeah. That's right. Oh.
Yesterday it's just this one,
Yeah.
but now. And the second fruit,
Yeah.
you still remember it?
Yeah.
It's still small yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Look
Where
at
is it?
this one, guys. And
Oh, there it is.
it have the shape
Yeah.
or the size similar like yesterday, right?
Yeah, that's right. Oh my gosh. It's getting bigger now.
It's getting bigger. It can be more than it, guys.
Yeah.
And you still remember I want to show you about the blossoming, right?
Mm-hmm.
You will think I'm lying,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
But when you already know about it, when you already see it,
Yeah.
you will believe me. that
Okay.
It's a long-lasting productivity.
Oh yeah.
And I already give a proof that it still have a fruit in it, right?
Yeah.
That's growing.
Yeah.
But it's blossoming new flowers now.
Oh my gosh.
And we don't just have one tree that long-lasting productivity.
Oh. What is it?
2 or 3 of it. I will
2 or
show
3.
you
Okay.
after it. But after not after it, but I will check up this 3 before.
Alright.
After I check this 3.
Okay.
Because the most interesting avocado that I know is this one, Sap O34.
Tree shape 034.
Because the shape of it and the flesh inside of it's really lot.
Wow.
A lot of flesh there.
Yeah.
Here, guys, I will show you the blossom.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Where is it? So
Come
we
here.
will have many fruits of shape 034.
That's right.
Oh
Look at
gosh.
it's just one fruit, guys, but
Yeah.
it's long, right?
Yeah.
And the flesh is this one.
Oh yeah. Wow.
You know, more unique.
Yeah.
The seed itself is really small.
Oh my gosh.
So if you eat it, a lot of it, you will have a stomach full of avocado.
Oh my gosh.
With just eating one fruit.
Yeah. Yeah.
Here,
Yeah.
This one.
Show me about the flowering.
You can wait any longer, right?
Yeah.
Come here. Look at it.
Okay. Let me see.
It's like a cave, right? Cave
Yeah.
entrance. Look at it.
What is it?
Here.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, you're right. The sprout
Yes, brought new
a new
Fruit.
flower.
new flowers. But
And after flowering, you get
yeah, a fruit.
fruit. Of,
A lot of fruit.
A lot
And
of fruit.
I also seen
oh, there is it.
many of it, but this one is really visible from here.
Yeah.
But
You can see that, guys.
It's not this one. It's not just this one, but many of it.
Oh, many of it.
Crossing this
All
this plant.
Oh my gosh. Here too. Oh,
There's many.
there's
Right?
many.
You can find it by yourself here.
Yeah.
Look at that. The top of it. There's also
Oh,
one there.
yeah. That's right. Okay.
Guys, if you really want to have a lot of money
Yeah.
and you want to make your time productive,
Mhm.
just grow up plants. And I will suggest you grow Sep or Trifle first.
Oh,
Because it's
yeah.
really easy to take care of it.
Okay.
And the next one, I will show you the most delicious fruit that I ever eat.
What
You
is
still
that?
remember about the reviewing video yesterday, right?
Yeah, yeah.
There is one fruit that can change the colors.
Oh, from green to reddish?
It's like an
Ah,
apple.
yeah.
Here,
It's
it's sprouted new flowers also, guys.
oh, oh my gosh. You will be have many of
Many
that.
of it. Oh my god.
Oh, here it is. Oh,
Yeah.
let us see. Yeah,
Maybe you yesterday
yeah,
you remember I said not a Sep or Trifle, but Pokong head, right?
yeah,
But when I already check up about the Pokong head, the
Yeah.
Pokong head must be seedless, right?
yeah,
But this one is not seedless. And also Pokong head cannot change any colors.
yeah.
So
So,
it must be a different varieties.
oh, probably.
I think it's a real variety
Yeah,
because I searched on Google
yeah,
and we didn't know about any information about this plant.
yeah.
Oh my god. Guys, it's not Pokong head of course.
No.
Because Pokong head must be seedless.
Yeah, and still green, right?
It's still green, but this one, look at it.
So,
Remember when I picked
so now we don't know yet what
we
is
just know
the
about the variety of it.
variety. Oh, this is flowering. I believe this.
But it's more
Oh.
here. Come here. It's more flowering here.
Oh yeah.
Look at it.
Oh yeah. That's it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10.
Oh.
10 fruit in just one stem.
All right.
I hope it can grow all of it.
Okay.
And
Look at that.
and if you still didn't believe me if the fruit can change the color,
Yeah.
let's see this. Look at it. Before we
Okay.
pick it up, it's still green, right?
Yeah.
But after it's ripe, it's turning reddish.
That's it.
Yeah, look at that.
Okay.
And also interestingly, Pokong head doesn't have any shape like that.
Yeah.
So it's different. It's not Pokong head, guys.
It's not, I think.
It's not Pokong head because
But we don't know yet what this
we
variety
just know
is.
yet. And also the Google didn't know about this variety.
Because you ever ask
Yeah, I ever asked about in Google, but there's nothing that can show.
yeah.
It just show about Maluma, something
Yeah.
like that. But I believe it's not Maluma. The different shape
Yeah.
and the taste, because Maluma
And the different leaf too.
has family, right?
Yeah.
Maluma is in has family.
Yeah.
And it's not has family. It's
Oh.
Asian.
Yeah, I see.
I don't know what's the variety of it.
Okay.
And also yesterday I found about Creole variety.
Mhm.
It's almost the same with it, but I think it's not because it's more bigger than Creole.
Yeah.
And Creole, and you know, guys,
And tell me about the taste.
it's still long lasting in my tongue. Until
Yeah.
now, because the taste of it, sweet, creamy, oily, almost melt in your mouth like an ice cream.
Like an ice cream.
Yeah.
Wow.
How amazing it is, guys! It just I scoop it a little bit,
Yeah.
eat it, disappear on my mouth like
Oh
a
my God.
liquid, become a liquid
Hmm.
instantly. So it
Interesting.
must be really expensive, you know.
Yeah.
And the
probably.
oil itself is really a lot of oil.
Yeah. I see.
I'm getting full, even though just eating half of it,
Yeah.
but I'm getting full instantly. Oh my god, it's really interesting plants, guys.
Yeah, that's right.
And we didn't know about the variety yet.
Yeah.
The first one we thought it was Pokong head.
I think the best one, I think.
I think the best one. It's like a Creole because you know what, guys? Creole is the most expensive avocado.
Yeah.
But its fruit it can be $25.
Wow.
But I think it can be more.
Yeah.
I'm speechless with it, guys. And also the seedling itself have a unique shape, like I tell in the previous video.
Yeah. Yeah.
If you're really interesting or curious about the leaf shape, something like that,
Yeah.
just check the previous video.
Okay.
It's included when I already reviewed the Sep or Trifle.
Yeah.
And after that I review it. I review
Okay.
this plant.
All right.
The next one that I want to show you.
Yeah.
You still remember about food 7?
Yeah. Yeah. I remember that.
And also in this video, I will show you all the Vietnamese variety.
Oh my
Introduce all of them.
All of them.
It's
Oh.
introduction. I think it's not from Vietnam, but the
Yeah.
nursery said it from Vietnam.
Yeah.
We don't know yet. We're not sure yet.
Because we have a proof, yeah?
Yeah, we have a proof that it's not bogong head.
Yeah.
And yesterday I also
Even the tag name is Bogong Head.
the
All right.
technical name is bogong head, but in reality it's not. It's different. So the nursery must have wrong
Tag name.
technique or wrong speculation about it.
Yeah, yeah,
The
yeah.
next one, guys, I will show you about the food 7. Come here.
Okay.
It's not long from here.
Oh yeah. Wow. We
Go
look
up
at
here.
we look at surround here.
Oh my god, guys. How can you get tired if you just looking at this? You
Yeah.
will not get tired when you
Oh
looking
yeah,
at
that's
this
right.
natural world.
Wow, it's really green, you know. That's
That's
the
the
avocado.
bogong head. And also have a
We don't say that the bogong head, no.
no, but from now on I will say bogong head.
Oh yeah, because
I'm not sure it's not bogong head, right?
Yeah.
It's not bogong head. I'm sure it's not
Alright.
bogong head.
yeah.
Because it's different.
Oh yeah.
It's not
Let's-
long from here, guys.
Okay. Take a walk.
For a minute.
All right. Make heart healthy, no?
Yeah.
And you are grounding.
I'm grounding.
Oh.
The positive energy will carry into my body.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. That's great, guys.
Electrolyte, if you know it.
Yeah.
Positive energy. I think some people believe it, but it's up to you guys if you want to believe it or not.
Yeah.
But I can prove it because I always feeling healthy, you know.
Yeah.
I never get sick,
Oh, that's great, guys.
even though I get a scars here.
Yeah.
But I never feel any sickness.
Oh my
It's not
gosh.
pain. It's not painful at all.
Even you cut your hair,
Yeah. Oh,
you not feel.
I had when I must cut my hair.
Yeah. And you look different now.
Looks different. Not like me before. I'm not Asa anymore. Man, that's the point 7, guys.
Oh,
Look at that.
There's it. Look at that.
Yeah.
Come on.
Oh, look how many this one.
All right. Oh,
Oh my god.
look at this cannery. Oh my
Cannery.
god.
And you still remember about this R1?
R1. Oh,
It's already sprouting a new
Yeah.
leaf, right?
using organic fertilizer.
Of course, and we already prune it.
Oh,
It's
this
showing.
is very, very fresh.
You will see the mixture in previous video, guys.
Yeah.
You must see it. Come here.
Oh,
This one.
I'm curious about the put 7. Is it right? That's
Oh.
burst of flower.
Guys, bursting of like the video that I tell yesterday.
Yeah.
So I will prove it to you that it's a flower, not leaves.
Oh, yeah.
Look at it.
Where is it?
This one.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
a flowering, right? Many of it. Look at that. There's
Oh.
many of it.
Yeah.
So it
that's
can be
right.
long-lasting productivity.
Okay.
3 of the fruits that I already.
All right. That's it.
Just like you need to be
Let
careful.
me zoom that.
Be careful because it's a cliff here.
Oh, over there.
Oh.
Asa is right. It's flowering,
It's
guys.
flowering, a lot of it. Oh my
Okay.
god.
Oh,
I
that's
will
it.
get rich because of avocado, guys.
Oh, yeah.
Because look at it. Avocado is a long-lasting plant.
Oh, yeah.
Long-lasting fruit. Especially when it's already growing a fruit, but
Yeah.
it can be grow more flower because of it.
Yeah.
So it can have double harvesting season.
Oh,
And you know what?
so long lasting.
It's long-lasting productivity.
Oh my gosh.
And you know what, guys?
Very
I
interesting.
will show you in the next video about the most craziest productivity of avocado.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah,
Is it introduction or local?
it's local.
Local?
But wait, but the history, I think it's not local. It's imported.
Oh.
It's already taken by Indonesian.
Oh my
So it's
gosh.
getting local.
So you have the history of that plant?
Of course, I have it.
Oh.
I already know about the history, and I will show you in the next video, guys.
Oh my gosh, I can wait any longer
But
to
I love
tell
it.
me about
Just wait.
the history of that plant.
If you want to know it,
Yeah.
subscribe to our channel.
Oh,
and
yeah.
don't forget to turn on the bell notification.
Oh.
So you will get information from the YouTube if I already upload a new video.
Oh, you always uploaded new video, right?
Yeah, every day.
Oh,
Every time I will
you're
always post a video.
so good, guys.
Because guys, new day, new knowledge.
Oh,
That's my mindset, We can get
alright.
full by knowledge from now.
Yeah,
We must get new knowledge,
New
not getting
knowledge.
full of knowledge, but
Yeah.
we must seek a new knowledge, new
Okay.
experience.
Yeah, that's
You
great.
must be crazy, guys, if you want to enjoy life.
Yeah,
You need to not thinking about a problem.
yeah.
You need to be always calm,
Oh, that's
because
great.
angriness, everything that getting rushed is not healthy for your health.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Thank you for subscribing to our channel, and thank you for all the person that already involved with our channel, commenting, everything, liking. Actually make us improve, make us want to make a new video, guys. So thank you to all of our supporters. See you in the next video.